Republican representative may have to put his plans for re-election on hold. A jury has convicted Bob Genetski of drunk driving. Anthony Sabella spoke with attorneys on both sides about Genetski's guilty verdict.
You can just do your best to try to appeal to what they're thinking and put in the best case.
State Representative Bob Genetski and his attorney Mike Nichols gave little reaction as the verdict was announced in an East Lansing courtroom Tuesday.
The jury finds the defendant guilty of operating while intoxicated.
The guilty verdict put an end to a drunk driving case that started when he was arrested in January following the State of the State address. After the last witness was questioned, each attorney gave their closing statements to the jury.
You can't change this man's status from not guilty to guilty unless you find that the prosecution has presented evidence that proves the case beyond a reasonable doubt.
Prosecuting attorney Russell Church urged the jury to look at the evidence the same as they would for any other person.
You have a duty, the same duty to him that you have to any other citizen, to hold him accountable for that conduct.
After each statement was finished, the jury took around 2.5 hours to come up with a verdict. One Ingham County prosecutor, Stuart Dunnings, agrees with.
We never look at who somebody is or what their position is. We just look at what they did and what is the law and what is fair for the circumstances of that particular case.
Now Genetski, who is running for re-election, will automatically get 6 points put on his license. He also faces 93 days in jail and potentially thousands of dollars in fines. In East Lansing, Anthony Sabella, Fox 47 News.
Genetski will be back in court for sentencing in the next 30 to 45 days. We'll let you know what happens.